Top sales funnel softwares that you can use to build your funnels. Generally, it's nurture them and close them from one single place. Now, these softwares I'm about to mention are softwares I've used over time. I've used each of them at some point, and I could say basically they are good, and then you could explore using them yourself. But they are relative. I don't use all of them at the same time. I basically just use one per time. I don't use all of them, but at some point in my life, I've used them. And I'm going to talk about these tools for those who want to start building funnels for their product and they don't know how to even get started. These platforms are basically providing you the infrastructure that you need to start building your funnels. But let's talk about the first one, which is WordPress, right? So if you have a WordPress website, you can basically install some plugins that will help you build out your full funnel system. For example, you want to build a sales page, you can use plugins like Elementor or Thrive Architect. I prefer the Thrive Architect actually. And use it to build your own sales pages and then connect them together. Let's say you want to include something like a payment system through your funnels that can allow you to do upsell. Then you can use a plugin called Cartflow and install it and then achieve that for yourself. If you want to do like connect a lead generating system software, then you can install some plugins like Optimoster and a couple of other of those plugins basically. But the goal is that with WordPress, you can have plugins that will help you build out a full funnel system from beginning to the end. All right. And of course, I wouldn't even doubt the fact that if you're watching this video, you already know what sales funnel is, and I wouldn't want to start teaching funnels again because I can literally spend 3 hours right now on this video teaching sales funnel, and I don't want to start doing that right now. Now, the second platform you want to use or explore is Systemy.io. I've used it a couple of times. I've done previous video extensively on how to use Systemy.io to build lead generating funnels for yourself. The link should be in the description section or check on my channel. You're going to see that video, how to build different kinds of funnel with Systemy. So Systemy provides you with a page builder, an email marketing system, I think a payment infrastructure, of course, for you to integrate payment. And it's super amazing and super cool. Direct point, it has a couple of templates here and there that you can also deploy. You can manage your leads at the same time. Amazing software. The next software that provides this experience, of course, is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is amazing, owned by Russell Brunson actually. Oh, I wasn't even talking about their founders, right? But ClickFunnels is good. Currently, their ClickFunnels 2.0 has a lot more features like the blogging feature, which of course you can find on WordPress and on Systemy. Has some SEO optimization system here and there. Has a lot more features in it that you can actually use for your own benefit and also for your own good. It has, of course, the page builder, payment infrastructure. Currently now, ClickFunnels have already also purchased Geru, Geru. That means that you can simulate a funnel before building it on ClickFunnels, right? So later on in my video, I'll talk about Geru and how to use Geru. But the fourth top platform you can also use is GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an amazing platform, and you can even use it to do way more than just building funnels with it. You can even use it to start your mini funnel agency on the application. At least I know one of my friends who have actually done that for himself. So GoHighLevel is another sales funnel builder or software that you can use to build your sales funnel process, and it's also super amazing. Almost all of the platforms I mentioned, you can achieve the same thing with all of these platforms, almost the same thing. And then the last one that is basically more unique is Salo. Now, Salo permits you to have your business sales funnel run there, and especially gives you access to have a WhatsApp marketing feature in it too, which this other platform doesn't have. And WhatsApp marketing is super unique to the African market, so you also want to explore that. Right now, you could go on Salo and join the waiting list and start using it for yourself if it's already launched. But at the time of recording this video, the wait list is already open, and then you can join to use this. So these are platforms that I can recommend for you right now to use to build out your sales funnels and then enjoy your business. And of course, without any further ado, it's time to get back to work. But if you enjoyed this video, like this video, share it to someone, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.